Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power and batteries because safety first. Once done, pry the back plate with a plastic opener and remove the 5 Torx T8 screws, 2 under stickers. Make sure to keep screws separated by location. This prevents mix-ups. Lift the shell gently, don't yank cables. Next, note cable routing and orientation of the ribbon for reassembly. If you see corrosion or gunk, you'll clean it later. For now, focus on accessing the PCB and analog stick area. You now remove the faulty stick, desolder the 3 or 5 pads, or release the retention clips depending on model. Once removed, compare the new module to the old one and align pins to the PCB pads. Orientation matters. Make steady, quick solder joints, heat pad, feed solder, remove iron. Avoid excess solder that could short nearby traces. After soldering, visually inspect joints and wiggle test the module to ensure mechanical stability. If using replacement with ribbon, you reassemble by reconnecting ribbon cables and any button connectors, seating them fully and securing clamps. Close the shell loosely so you can test before final screws. Pair or plug into the console and use the controller diagnostics to verify stick travel and zero position. Once confirmed, tighten screws in a cross pattern and reinstall stickers or covers. If you still experience drift, recalibrate in settings. If drift remains, reflow solder joints or swap the replacement module. One key troubleshooting tip is to check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.